Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best headlight restoration kit on Amazon. If you've got damaged headlights and buying a set of brand new replacement headlights isn't in your wheelhouse right now, consider purchasing a headlight restoration kit. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, also known as the 3M 39195 kit, is a complete headlight restoration solution that claims to restore clarity to cloudy, hazed, or yellowed headlights. It is designed to work on plastic headlight lenses that have become damaged due to UV exposure and environmental factors. The kit comes with everything you need to restore your headlights, including sanding discs, polishing pad, polishing compound, and a detailed instruction manual. The kit promises to remove even the toughest scratches, stains, and discoloration from plastic headlight lenses. This kit comes with detailed instructions that guide you through the entire restoration process, making it easy for even novice diyers to use. Number 2. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. This 3-step headlight restoration kit removes haze, yellow, and corrosion. The kit comes with a surface activator, UV blocking clear coat, clarifying compound, premium sandpaper, polishing cloths, gloves, and applicator. To restore your headlights, you'll start by applying the surface activator that makes it easier to sand. Then you'll use the sandpaper and polish to clean and restore your headlights. The final step is to seal the headlight and apply the UV blocker. You'll appreciate the attention to detail that this kit has. It comes with a wide range of sandpaper grit to give you a smooth finish. It also comes with gloves, which no other kit on this list has. The UV blocker will ensure your results last. Unfortunately, the included towels may not be large enough to use for application and wiping clean. They are also full of lint, which can make your application messy. Number 3. Megair's Perfect Clarity 2-Step Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit makes restoring old, oxidized, and yellowing lights surprisingly easy, protecting them at the same time to keep them clear. One of the easiest systems on the market, this product restores headlight clarity without sanding. A quick cleaning with the included formula followed by the restoring liquid improves headlight clarity almost immediately. The proprietary formula is made to prevent reoxidation for up to a year, bringing this product up to par with 3-step systems that involve buffing and resurfacing of the headlight. Keep in mind that this formulation can be applied by hand, but you'll see the best results when applied with a buffer or drill. The formula has an excellent shelf life as well, allowing you to reuse the open bottle a couple of times. Number 4. Mother's Newlands Headlight Renewal Kit. This renewal kit promises to clarify, protect, and maintain the clear look of your headlights. It will remove surface scratches and oxidation. The kit includes a 3-inch backing plate, polishing tool, restoration discs, and 8 ounces of polish. The process requires 2 steps. First, you place the polish on the center of the power bowl, then you buff and clean. What's nice about this kit is that it comes with everything you need, and it's designed to work with other car care products. That way, you can have an entire system that works together to give you better results. It also comes with clear and easy to follow directions. The downside of this polishing kit is that you need the power tool from Mother's to be able to use it. The kit comes with the plate and pads, but not the tool that powers them. You'll also need to be careful when using the sanding papers. Number 5. Phillips Headlight Restoration Kit with UV Protection. Restore your headlights with this restoration kit from Phillips. It will remove yellowing, haziness, and dirt. The kit comes with everything you need with no power tools required. You can use this kit on your headlights, turn signals, and taillights. It's a 4-step process that promises professional results. The kit comes with a water-based pre-treatment cleaner polish shine restorer preserver, 3 levels of sandpaper, and paper towels. What makes this kit stand out is that it promises UV protection for up to 2 years after application. This will help your headlights to stay clear for longer. You can also customize the process for the level of degradation that your headlights have. One drawback of this kit is that it requires a lot of wet sanding. You'll need to do several rounds of wet sanding to get rid of the yellowing and oxidation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.